జై శ్రీమన్నారాయణ. హో రామా, ఈవెన్ ఆఫ్టర్ యువర్ రూలింగ్ ఆఫ్ దిస్ కింగ్డమ్, your sons only have to become the kings of this kingdom. Nobody can take this kingdom at all. O Rama, today I am swearing upon you and everything that I am going to be standing right next to you. You will take this kingdom and I can take care of rest of everything. అహమేకో మహీపాలాన్ అలం వారయితుం బలాత్. You take the kingdom and I will stand here. I will see how many ever kings collectively comes and attacks me. I will kill each and every one of them. I will make them pieces and pieces. Oh Rama, my shoulders, my hands, my bow, my sword, my arrows, everything that I have is not just for a decoration purpose, Rama. All this I am wearing and I am holding is only to serve you, only to stop whoever is going against you. Rama, with my Sankalpa Balam, Astra Balam, I am going to destroy the government of Dasharatha Maharaju and I am going to establish your government today. Ho Rama, Sadhimam Tavasmi Kinkaraha. I am your servant. Come on, order me whatever for you. Whatever is for your kingdom, I am here to serve you without any second thought. Rama, come on, order me. Like that, Lakshmana is boiling with so much of anger and also moving to tears, unable to even imagine Rama going to forest and Rama going through so many pains and sufferings. With that kind of unimaginable things, Lakshmana is moving to tears. Understanding the situation of Lakshmana, Rama goes very close to Lakshmana, takes Lakshmana very close to him and trying to slowly wipe off his tears and now consoling Lakshmana and talking like this. After Lakshmana tried to stop Rama from going Aranyavasam, after Lakshmana tried in each and every aspect and respect, finally Rama is saying that, "Oh Lakshmana, Pitriye Vachane Vyavasthitam. I am going to be completely surrendering to whatever my father Dasharatha Maharaju ordered. I am going to be following that. There is no second thought. Ho Lakshmana, Satpathaha, that is what is the most fair and the most better righteous way. There is no any other second thought in that." Like that, when Rama is trying to disclose his how much he is strongly resolved to follow Dasharatha Maharaju's orders, then Kausalya Devi is looking at Rama and saying that, "Oh Rama." While meditating upon Sri Sita Ramachandra Swami, let us sing the glory of Sri Sita Ramachandra Swami. Rama Rama Dasharatha Rama, Rama Rama Dasharatha Rama, He He Raja Rama, हे हे राजा रामा, हे हे सीता रामा, हे हे सीता रामा. Jai Srimanarayana. A special request to all devotees. In all things in our life, we want immediate and effective results. To achieve this, let us spend 1 minute daily and read Narayanastram. In order to obtain Narayanastram, go to Narayanastram website, which is www.narayanastram.org, and provide your name and email in the registration. You will receive a Narayanastram PDF to the email you provided. In the PDF, there is a Ramayana Sloka, a Gita Sloka, and a Vishnu Namam. The three of these put together is called Narayanastram. Everyone receives a different combination of these slokas. When everyone reads to their Narayanastram daily, along with 24,000 devotees, one round of Sampurna Ramayana Parayana, 33 rounds of Srimad Bhagavad Gita Parayana, 24 rounds of Sri Vishnu Sahasranama Stotra Parayana is completed every day. This is such a remarkable and extraordinary outcome that comes out of doing this every single day. That's why you and your family members immediately go and obtain your Narayanastram. Jai Srimanarayana. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita in 18th chapter from 65th to 69th sloka, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending all of us to do 8 things. Krishna Paramatma saying that if we do those 8 things, we will become His most beloved devotees, and then He will liberate all of us from all kind of sins. That is why every day let us respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma like this. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on thinking about you. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall become your devotee. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on performing all my activities as your service. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering the fact that I am your belonging, and I shall keep doing namaskaram to you. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall surrender to you alone unconditionally. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall not grieve anymore. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering your teachings every day by reading at least 1 Gita sloka. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on spreading Srimad Bhagavad Gita among all the devotees. O Sriman Narayana, I shall do as you say. I shall behave as you like. I shall keep on working for you. Karishye vachanam tava. Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Sriman Narayana.